How to disable incognito mode in Google Chrome, laptop, or PC. So for example, open your browser here. I open my Google Chrome. So to be able to set up it into or to change it into incognito mode is here you will see three dots here. Click on that and tap on new incognito window. Now after that, as you can see, you've gone incognito. So how to be able to disable the incognito mode in Google Chrome or your PC or your desktop or your laptop? So what you're gonna do is all you have is here on the right side again, you will see this incognito button. Click on that and just simply tap on close incognito. And now you are back again to your normal Google, where you can see your saved links here. And basically that's how you disable incognito mode in Google Chrome, laptop, or PC. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.